If your home still feels the same, you're missing out in 2026. These aren't just cool gadgets, they're essentials that save you time, eliminate daily frustrations, and make your life way more comfortable without you even noticing. In this video, I'll show you the must-have home gadgets defining this year, the kind you see once and instantly can't live without. Stay until the end, because some of these are absolutely worth it. All the links are in the description. The mood of your entire space can shift in seconds, and most people never take advantage of that. Govee smart light bulbs bring full control over your environment with 16 million colors and beautifully tuned lighting that adapts to how you feel. A simple voice command or a tap on your phone changes brightness, tone, or scene without interrupting your flow. Music starts playing, and suddenly your lights respond in real time, turning your room into a living experience. You can group multiple bulbs, schedule gentle wake-ups, or wind down with soft fading light at night. Everything feels more intentional, more elevated, more yours. For a subtle upgrade that completely transforms how your space feels, $32.99. You can clean your home every day and still breathe air that quietly works against you. The Blueair air purifier changes that by transforming invisible pollution into something you can finally control. Using advanced multi-stage filtration, it captures ultrafine particles, odors, and allergens while staying surprisingly quiet. Built-in sensors monitor your air in real time, automatically adjusting power so your space always feels fresh without you thinking about it. The front display shows air quality with subtle color shifts, while the top surface doubles as a sleek side table that blends into your home. You can control everything from your phone or with your voice, turning air quality into something effortless and refined. It is not just cleaner air, it is a smarter way to live comfortably. A premium upgrade your space and body will appreciate for $299.99. Cleaning your floors should not feel like a full workout that takes over your entire day. The Dreame H14 Pro transforms that routine into a smooth, almost effortless experience by vacuuming and mopping at the same time, handling sticky spills, dust, and everyday mess in a single pass. Its intelligent system detects how dirty your floors are and adjusts power and water automatically, so every surface looks evenly clean without guesswork. The self-propelling glide makes movement feel light, while the flat design reaches under furniture where dirt usually hides. After cleaning, it washes and dries itself with hot air, keeping everything fresh and ready for the next use. You spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your space. A powerful upgrade that redefines how your home feels for $369.99. Some meals are not about food, they are about how they make people feel. This heart-shaped cast iron skillet turns simple recipes into moments that feel thoughtful and memorable, whether you are cooking for someone special or just elevating your everyday routine. The enameled finish locks in heat beautifully, giving you even cooking and that perfect sear, while the design moves seamlessly from stove to oven to table without losing its charm. It works on any cooktop, handles high temperatures, and presents your dish in a way that feels intentional and styled. It is not just cookware, it is part of the experience you create at home, a small detail that changes how your meals are remembered for $27.98. Going out should feel fun and carefree, not something that makes you second-guess your drink every few minutes. These silicone drink covers create a simple layer of protection that quietly changes how comfortable you feel in social spaces. Made from flexible food-grade silicone, each cover stretches to fit most cups, sealing the top while still allowing you to sip through a straw without removing it. It helps keep out dust, insects, and unwanted contact while also reducing accidental spills when things get crowded. Each one is compact and easy to carry, so it becomes something you keep with you without even thinking about it. It is a small addition that adds a sense of control and peace of mind wherever you go. A subtle upgrade for nights out that feels smarter than it looks for $13.99. Clutter has a quiet way of stealing your focus, even when everything seems under control. This vertical file cabinet brings that sense of order back by giving every document a defined place while keeping your space visually clean. Built with a solid wood structure, each drawer glides open smoothly and holds your files in a way that feels organized and easy to access. Individual locks add a layer of security, so important papers stay exactly where they belong. The top surface doubles as a functional area for your printer or workspace essentials, making it feel like a natural extension of your setup. It fits neatly into tighter spaces without sacrificing storage, helping your office feel calm and intentional. A refined upgrade that supports how you work every day for $109.99. A messy kitchen slowly takes away the joy of being in it, even if everything else looks right. This set of glass pantry jars brings back that clean, styled feeling where every ingredient has its place and your space feels intentional. Each jar is made from thick, clear glass with a bamboo lid that seals tightly, keeping your ingredients fresh while adding a warm, natural touch. The included spoons make everyday use smoother, while the minimalist labels transform your shelves into something that looks curated, not cluttered. Coffee, sugar, spices, or snacks all feel more organized and easier to access. It is a simple shift that makes your kitchen feel calmer, more functional, and visually elevated. A small change that instantly upgrades how your space looks and works for $25.10. Clutter builds up in the smallest places, turning everyday routines into something frustrating without you even noticing. These stackable acrylic drawers bring that sense of clarity back by giving your essentials a clean, visible home. The transparent design lets you see everything instantly, so nothing gets lost or forgotten. Each drawer slides out smoothly, while the anti-slip base keeps everything stable. As you reach in, you can stack them vertically to save space, or place them side by side for a more open layout, adapting perfectly to your bathroom, vanity, kitchen, or workspace. Makeup, skincare, or daily items all stay organized and protected from dust, creating a setup that feels calm and intentional. It is a simple shift that makes your space easier to use and more satisfying to look at. A practical upgrade that brings order without effort for $22.49. Meal prep often feels like the longest part of cooking, especially when every ingredient takes time to cut and organize. This Mandoline slicer changes that by turning repetitive prep into something fast and satisfying. With multiple interchangeable blades, it lets you slice, grate, and spiralize vegetables into clean, uniform cuts that instantly make your dishes look more refined. The built-in container keeps everything contained, so your counter stays clean while you work. Safety features like the protective glove and finger guard give you confidence while handling sharp blades, making the process feel controlled and smooth. It is compact, easy to store, and simple to clean, fitting naturally into your daily routine. A smart kitchen upgrade that saves time and elevates every meal for $21.99. A cluttered desk does more than look messy. It slowly breaks your focus every time you sit down to work. This compact drawer system brings everything back into order by giving your essentials a place you can actually see and reach. The clear drawers let you instantly find what you need, while the lightweight design makes opening and accessing items feel smooth and natural. Built-in stops keep drawers secure, yet easy to remove when needed. The open top adds extra space for documents or daily items, turning your desk into a setup that feels efficient and intentional. Whether it is office supplies, tools, or small products, everything stays organized without taking over your workspace. A simple upgrade that helps you stay focused and in control for $18.89. Walking into a home that responds to you instantly feels like something reserved for the future, until you experience it in your own space. This smart wall control panel becomes the center of everything, giving you full control over lights, devices, and scenes with a simple touch or your voice. The built-in assistant lets you adjust your environment hands-free, while the 5-inch display brings all your controls into one clean interface. It replaces the need for multiple hubs, connecting everything into one seamless system that feels intuitive and effortless. Whether you are setting the mood, checking devices, or automating routines, everything happens in one place. It transforms your home into something more responsive, more connected, and far more refined. A true step into smarter living that feels as good as it looks for $149.99. Kitchen mess builds up faster than you expect, and constantly bending down to throw things away only makes it worse. This hanging compost bin changes that small frustration into something surprisingly smooth. It attaches directly to your cabinet door or wall, keeping it right where you need it while you prep or clean. The lid seals tightly, helping contain odors and keeping your space fresh even when food scraps sit inside. You can flip it open or slide it down depending on what feels more natural in the moment. The compact size fits easily under the sink or on your counter, while still holding several days of waste without becoming a problem. It keeps everything cleaner, more accessible, and far more comfortable to use throughout the day. A simple shift that makes your kitchen routine feel lighter and more efficient for $16.24. Shoes tend to pile up faster than you realize, turning your closet into something that feels crowded and hard to manage. These stackable storage boxes bring everything back into order with a clean, structured system that makes your collection easy to see and access. The transparent design lets you instantly spot the pair you want, while the magnetic front door gives you smooth access without pulling everything apart. Built with thicker, durable material, each box holds its shape and stays stable when stacked, creating a setup that feels solid and intentional. You can organize sneakers, heels, or even accessories, turning your closet into a space that feels curated instead of cluttered. It is a simple upgrade that adds clarity, protection, and style to your daily routine. A smart way to elevate your storage without overcomplicating your space for $53.98. Caps tend to end up stacked, bent, or forgotten in corners where you cannot even see what you own. This wall-mounted hat organizer changes that completely by turning your collection into something clean, visible, and easy to access. Each clip holds your cap securely by the top button, keeping it in place without damaging its shape. The curved support helps maintain the structure, so every hat looks the way it should, not flattened or worn. You can mount it on a wall, door, or inside a closet, using space that usually goes unused while keeping surfaces clear. With capacity for multiple hats, it creates a display that feels organized and intentional instead of cluttered. It is a simple way to protect what you wear and make your space look better at the same time. A practical upgrade that keeps everything in order without taking over your room for $14.98. A kitchen starts to feel overwhelming when everything competes for space and nothing has a clear place to go. This pantry cabinet brings structure back by combining storage, functionality, and subtle design into one clean setup. Multiple compartments, adjustable shelves, and door storage give you room to organize everything from dry goods to daily essentials without clutter. The built-in microwave shelf and hooks keep frequently used items within reach, while the integrated outlets let you power devices exactly where you need them. Soft LED lighting adds a warm atmosphere and makes everything easier to find, even at night. It turns your kitchen into a space that feels organized, efficient, and thoughtfully designed. A complete upgrade that simplifies how your space works every single day for $279.99. Waking up to tangled cables and scattered devices instantly sets the wrong tone for your day. This 3-in-1 wireless charging station brings everything into one clean, organized spot where your phone, watch, and earbuds charge at the same time. The built-in digital clock stays visible without being distracting, with adjustable brightness that adapts to your space even at night. It clears your nightstand or desk from unnecessary clutter while keeping everything powered and ready. Safety features work quietly in the background, protecting your devices as they charge, so you can leave everything overnight without thinking twice. It feels like your setup finally makes sense, simple, functional, and visually clean. A small upgrade that transforms how your space looks and works for $30.59. Kitchen prep can quickly turn messy when you are juggling rinsing, draining, and finding space at the same time. This expandable sink colander simplifies everything by giving you a flexible workspace right over your sink. It stretches to fit different sizes, so you can rinse vegetables, drain pasta, or even air-dry dishes without moving back and forth. The evenly spaced holes allow fast drainage while keeping your food secure, and the sturdy handles rest comfortably on the edges for stability. Made from durable, food-safe material, it handles both hot and cold tasks while staying easy to clean and store. It is one of those tools that quietly replaces multiple steps and makes your routine feel smoother and more efficient. A small change that keeps your kitchen flow clean and controlled for $18.99. Most rooms feel the same once the lights go off, quiet, dark, and predictable. This 3D Galaxy projector turns that moment into something completely different, filling your space with moving scenes that feel immersive and alive. It projects detailed environments across your walls and ceiling, from cosmic landscapes to calming nature visuals, creating an atmosphere that instantly shifts how the room feels. You can adjust brightness and focus to match your mood, whether you want a soft night light or a full visual experience. Built-in sound adds another layer, letting you play music or ambient audio that syncs with the visuals. It becomes more than decoration. It feels like an escape you control whenever you want. A unique upgrade that transforms your space into something memorable every night for $127.99. Some spaces deserve more than decoration. They deserve a story you can step into. This miniature book nook kit transforms a simple shelf into a warm cafe scene filled with tiny details that feel alive. As you build each piece, from the vintage coffee setup to the soft, glowing lights, the experience becomes part of the final result. The wooden structure fits neatly between your books, creating a hidden world that reveals itself every time you look closer. It is not just about assembling parts. It is about creating something personal that adds character to your space. When the lights turn on, it feels like a quiet escape waiting for you at the end of the day. A creative detail that turns your shelf into something unforgettable for $32.99. Eating on the go often means sacrificing balance, ending up with meals that feel rushed and unorganized. This stackable bento lunchbox changes that by giving you a clean, structured way to carry everything you actually want to eat. With 3 layers and multiple compartments, you can separate main dishes, sides, and snacks without mixing flavors or textures. The leak-resistant seal keeps everything contained, so your bag stays clean even with sauces or dressings inside. It comes with its own utensils, making it ready wherever you are, from work days to outdoor breaks. The design feels compact yet surprisingly spacious, turning your meals into something that looks and feels intentional. It is a simple way to stay consistent with what you eat without adding extra effort to your day. A small upgrade that keeps your routine organized and satisfying for $10.79. Sleeping away from home usually means giving up real comfort and settling for something temporary. This inflatable air mattress changes that expectation by giving you a surface that actually feels stable and supportive wherever you are. It inflates in under 90 seconds with a built-in pump, so you can go from unpacking to resting without delay. The internal structure distributes weight evenly, helping it feel closer to a real bed instead of something that shifts or sinks during the night. It is compact enough to carry for travel or camping, yet reliable enough to use at home for guests. When you are done, it deflates just as quickly and stores without taking over your space. It turns any place into somewhere you can truly rest. A practical upgrade that brings real comfort wherever you go for $33.99. Mornings feel rushed when your breakfast is not ready, and you end up choosing whatever is fastest. This overnight oats jar set changes that by turning preparation into something simple and satisfying the night before. Each glass jar keeps your base fresh and sealed, while the separate top compartment holds fruits or toppings until you are ready to mix. That small detail keeps every bite textured and flavorful instead of soggy. The built-in handle makes it easy to grab on your way out, and the foldable spoon means you are never searching for utensils. It stacks neatly in your fridge, keeping your meals organized and ready for the week. It is a small system that brings consistency and balance to your mornings without adding extra steps. A simple upgrade that makes eating well feel effortless every day for $13.99.